Hey there, fellow FNB users. If you're scratching your head trying to find your card number on the FNB app, especially with the latest 2025 updates, don't worry, I've got you covered. This quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, so you can get what you need in no time. Whether you're setting up online payments or just double-checking your details, knowing how to access your card number is super handy. First things first, make sure you have the FNB app installed on your phone. If not, head to your App Store and download the latest version for 2025. It includes some cool security enhancements. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. For added security, you might need to use biometric authentication like your fingerprint or Face ID. After logging in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your banking info lives. Scroll down or use the search function to find the Cards section. Once you're there, select the card you're interested in, say, your debit or credit card. Now, here's the key part. Look for the View Details button. Tapping that will reveal your card number, along with the expiration date and CVV. Remember, for privacy reasons, the app might blur or hide sensitive info until you verify it's you, so be prepared for a quick PIN entry. A few tips to keep in mind. Always ensure you're on a secure Wi-Fi network when accessing this info, and never share your card details via unencrypted channels. If you run into any issues, like the app freezing, try updating it or contacting FNB support through the app's help feature. And there you have it. That's how you get your card number on the FNB app in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it saves you a trip to the bank. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe and savvy out there. See you next time.